please, please, please. Oh no. No, 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 no.
Woo-woo. She sounded good. Yes, sir. Booty action.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
What's going on, family? Tony of the Quiet Storm coming to you with another video. Hope everybody's doing well out there. Hope everybody's doing great. Hope your week has been good. Sun was shining. You still here. That's a blessing. So it ain't no use to complaining. But today's video is a little bit different. I'm not talking about any car stuff. I know lately I haven't really been talking about car stuff, but this is important. I think this is important, and I think a lot of middle schoolers and high schoolers, they need some encouragement. They need some inspiration. They need some motivation. I know it's been a long year for some of them as COVID hit, and most of them had to go virtual for school goals. And it probably got kind of rough, kind of tough. It's a little bit different than being in the classroom, but you know, just continue to strive, continue to push forward. Don't give up. Don't give up. Continue to push. Do the best you can. I know it's hard. I know it's rough, but go ahead and let's get it. And I got several special guests that's going to let you know the importance of getting your education. For one, these are very successful young men that I continue to check up on and speak to on a time to time basis. We still stay in contact. I've actually mentored these guys. Before I being a mentor to them, I actually was their basketball coach. So and while I was coaching, I was kind of mentoring them, just to let them know, hey, they can do whatever they, put their mind to, especially with basketball. Hey, when I see, you got a little shot, or, you can work down low, I let you know, hey, get down below and work it a little bit, and you'll get it. Or either, stop passing the ball all the time and shoot the ball. So I'd rather for you shoot it versus, just passing it around and not doing anything with it, but yet you got a nice shot. That's just kind of coach I am. Some coaches don't want you to shoot it. I want you to shoot it. But these young men, they're going to let you know a little bit of, not only as far as the importance of education and the way they think, right now, especially with education, and how they're going to, how they've been successful. And they may even talk about, as far as me coaching them as well. And I also have a parent of one of the young men as well, as you'll see, that's going to give her thoughts as well on, you know, the importance of education. So without further ado, let's get it.
Hello friends of Antonio de Quai Storm's YouTube channel. I know my name is Wesley Prinslaff, and I know Antonio, well referred to as Coach Antonio, through the Wake Forest Parks and Rec basketball system. Coach Antonio coached both my brother Jake and myself through several years of basketball, and has had a great influence in my life, which I will talk about in just a little bit. A message that I would share with youth about the importance of classes and doing well in high school and knowing what you want to do in life, I would just say, stay focused on your academics. For myself, I knew I was interested in science in high school, but I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do with that. Whether I might want to go into healthcare, or do research, or even take a totally different path. However, that idea in high school encouraged and inspired me enough to perform well academically, stay focused on my studies and grades in order to attend a university. I was very fortunate to attend Duke University, where I had several opportunities to explore. While at Duke, I still did not know what I wanted to do. I was studying neuroscience, meaning the brain and nerves throughout the body, and I thought about healthcare, I thought about research, but ultimately doing well in my high school classes allowed me to attend this university to explore different avenues, which have ultimately allowed me to land on wanting to pursue a career in physical therapy, for which I will attend Duke's graduate program in that starting this year in August. So again, I don't think you necessarily have to know what you want to do. Performing well academically now in high school or even younger will allow you to get in the habit of staying committed to school, which will just provide enormous amounts of opportunity. And I think my key word here today is opportunity, and that opportunity then allows you to explore, find what you truly want to do. And something that Coach Antonio inspired me with is the ability to recognize my strengths and knowing what I can contribute to a team. Specifically with basketball, I know I wasn't the best scorer or not the best ball handler, but I was okay at passing and playing defense. And Coach Antonio taught me that that's equally as important as scoring the ball and getting the points, right? I'm contributing to the team, I'm bettering the team through displaying my strengths there. So whatever you want to do, I encourage you to take some time to reflect on what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses that you may be able to improve to become new strengths. And then how can you utilize those strengths on a team, whether it's through sports or in your life, to pursue the career that you want to be passionate about and to be happy and feel fulfilled. Thank you for your time.
Yo, what's going on, man? My name is Tashawn. My relation to Antonio is he's pretty much been my coach, / mentor, / big brother since pretty much middle school for me. And throughout that entire time period, man, I've always leaned to him for advice. Anything I needed help with, anything I felt I wasn't too knowledgeable on, I always leaned to him for help. And if he didn't have the answer, he pointed me in the right direction. Great guy, man. I'm truly blessed to have him. But I would have to say my message to the youth is, please, man, stay in the books. Knowledge is power in today's society. The more you know, the better. The more you know, the higher your chances are of achieving goals. There's nothing anyone can tell you whenever you have your education. You know? And what I mean by that is they can't take that away from you. They can't take away the fact that you kept your hand in the books, you stand on top of your grades. You made sure that, you never sold yourself short. You never let anybody tell you couldn't do anything. I know a lot of people always say it's not cool to be smart, man, but that is the wackest thing I think I've ever heard a day in my life. It is always cool to be smart. Always. So please, man, you guys are young. You got a whole lot of life ahead of you. Grab a hold of it quick. Don't let life take control of you. You take control of your life. You feel me? But other than that, man, y'all stay blessed. Y'all have a good one.
Hello friends, my name is Nathaniel Lerner, and I just wanted to have the chance to give you a brief message about the importance of doing well in high school, having an idea of kind of where you want to go in life and what that could bring. So, I think first off, I was a little bit of a unique kid. When I was 10 years old, I wanted to be a CFO of a music technology company, and later in life, maybe realized I want to go into another career trajectory, but that passion to want to do something, driving that cause really helped me through getting through the idea of the importance of high school. I think one of the biggest things that we often forget is, if I don't know what I want to do, let me not try to work towards anything. And I think that's a mindset that you really want to work to change. The idea behind high school, further education, and relevance of kind of what you can do at the time is you want to provide yourself the opportunity to do as much as you possibly can. If you do well in high school, you now have more opportunities to be able to do things later in life that you want to do. When you stop doing well in school or decide, maybe it's not as important, maybe that's the time in your life that you need, but more often than not, what you're doing is you're closing doors that are stopping you from being able to do stuff later in life that you want to do. So that future mindset is something really important to kind of take through, and having some passion or something that you're really interested in definitely affords that. But the main concept here is you want to have the most opportunities later in life for you. And, I think that's brought around a lot by the people that you surround yourself in. I know that Coach Antonio, he was a great coach while I had a chance to be on one of his basketball teams, and I really felt a sense of community when I was part of his team. Not only were we a team that played basketball, we were a team that learned life lessons. We were a team that failed together, succeeded together, and that's something that definitely helped impact my life and the trajectory where I am today. And so all of these ideas of surrounding yourself with good people, thinking about the opportunities you can open to yourself when you do well in school, and then later in life being able to get those opportunities because you now have those doors open. Now I work at Bank of America, working now to go into the business intelligence space, and so these opportunities that I did early on now allow me to do some of the stuff I'm really, really passionate about, which is saving people time. And so I just want to impart those few words with you, and I hope that you can take a little bit from them and grow yourself as a person. Thank you.
Hi folks, I urge you to check out Antonio's YouTube channel. That would be Tonio, The Quiet Storm. I wore my Duke hat for him today because I know he's a fan of the Blue Devils. Basically, I just want to say that as a parent of two boys that Antonio coached, he is motivational and inspirational in his quiet, reassuring way. He leads by example, and it is just so important to reach out to others. And he did so much for my boys, encouraged them to do well in school, which they did because, of course, I didn't know what I was talking about. But anyway, Antonio, thank you for all that you've done, and I hope that you get a lot of views. And this is just a message for the youth. This is a great guy out there who is encouraging others. Check him out. Peace.
So I hope that was a little inspirational and motivated you a little bit for my students in middle school and high school. I hope that motivated you a little bit. I want you to continue to push, continue to do the best you can, strive for excellence, be outstanding. Don't let nobody tell you that you can't do it, because you will always do whatever you want to do as long as you put your mind to it. So do not give up. Do not give up. I want to see you succeed. Do not give up. But I want you to, strive for excellence. Be outstanding. And put your mind to everything that you do, and you'll be okay. Do the best you can. Nobody's perfect. We all make mistakes. Do the best you can. That's all you can do. That's all we can ask for, is your best. As long as you give your best, I'm happy with you. If you don't give your best, you're 110%. So yeah, go ahead and give your 110%. I need your 110% for you to succeed, to reach a goal, whatever goal that may be. regardless if you want to be an athlete or what have you, education is still important, because you never know. Not putting anything bad on you, but you can get hurt playing, basketball, football, whatever sport you in, you can get hurt. And what if that injury put you out? What you got to fall back on? Nothing, if you don't have no education. So strive for excellence. Be outstanding. Do the best you can. Hey, that's all I can ask for is your best. Well, I appreciate everybody tuning in. Appreciate you watching. This is the first time on the channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that notification bell so whenever I put up new content, you'll know when it's coming. So, appreciate you all tuning in. All things are possible with God as long as you continue to have faith in Him, trust in Him, believe in Him, believe in yourself, trust yourself, and have faith in yourself. And everything else will fall into place. Until then, I'll let y'all later.
I'm outstanding.